Ms. Gill's case was never anything but a minor, non-violent domestic dispute. And her husband left with the children, and her grandparents wouldn't give her children back. And when she asked for police assistance, DHS got involved, and without the proper supporting documentation, took the children away. And then apparently altered documentation to substantiate something that never should have happened.
I went to go get my kids from my in-laws' house after my husband hid them from me. When the police got there, told the police that I was unstable to watch my own children. So I waited there for a little while, and DHS arrived. And DHS didn't speak to me. They went straight into the house and came back out with a safety plan agreement and asked me to sign it, and told them no. She told me that if I didn't sign it, she would take my children and put them into a home and I wouldn't see them. After that, I told her I wanted to speak to her supervisor. She contacted Tequila Hall on a cell phone, and I spoke to Tequila Hall, and Tequila Hall told me that she was out of the restaurant, and if she had to leave from her date to come and handle the situation, that it would be worse. I rolled up the window of the truck I was in and took a picture of the safety plan agreement, and then I signed it and handed it back to her. The kids were taken on February 15th. So on February 17th, I was supposed to get the court hearing, and I went to DHS at I think 9 or 10 o'clock in the morning to find out the court date because I couldn't get anybody on the phone. Yeah, because they didn't tell me what date it was going to be. My godmother went with me. We were standing in the office, and she goes, "Here's a copy of the safety plan agreement you signed." And when I looked at it, I didn't notice right away. My godmother said, "Marie, that's not what you signed." She said, "That's not what you showed me that you signed. There's a lot of editing on there." They took the safety plan agreement to the supervisors to tell them about the forgery when the phone call came through about since your records were forged, we're going to switch your case to Harrison County.
So they admitted it?
They admitted it.
I can't go, guys. Mommy, I made it across to here.
How long until you got your kids back?
Harrison County dismissed the case at the first hearing. The grounds for which they took the kids out was added to it, as if Ms. Gill, by signing the document, admitted to those allegations. But those allegations weren't contained on the form, and that was used to deprive Ms. Gill the custody of her children for what did it end up being, 2 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks.
I lost the kids in February. I got them back April 1st.
Yeah.
My children still to this day have nightmares. I wake up screaming at them all the night. "No, Mommy, don't go. Don't leave us here. We don't want you to leave." Still to this day. So it's very traumatic. And I think that they'll deal with that for a long time, if not the rest of their life.